Hello, my name is Andres Giraldo, and today we're gonna do a new cabinet from Ikea. So first, we're gonna do a family new. We're gonna look for a template for the family, and it's going to be in this case in English Imperial, and we're going to casework walled base. So we're looking for the template. What is it? No, it is case mode. Wait a little bit. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now, replacement site, and we're going to start doing the reference lines in order to do the cabinet, the main box. We're going to change the offset to 1.6 inches, like 1 foot 6 inches. We select the reference lines. Oh, we made mistakes. Is the one in the middle. Perfect. Create 2. After that, we're going to change the offset again to do the height of the cabinet. So in this case, it's going to be 20 inches per side. Perfect. We almost have our cabinet. Now we're going to create the cabinet to extrude. So, I forgot. We need 1 inch for the thickness of the cabinet. So create the thickness, and now we can create the extrusion. We create extrusion. Perfect. And we're going to select the lines that we previously did here. Let's see. All is fine. Yes. We're going to lock it. Every time we click, let's make sure to lock it. And after that, we have to fill the edges. So with the trim tool, we fill it. And with this, we're giving form to the cabinet. Perfect. Okay, it's looking good. I think that's it, yeah. Let's continue. We've seen the view. Wait, where is it? Okay, like the 3D view, we have the reference level, but here we see how the cabinet is in the air, but we already have a form. We have the height and the depth of the cabinet. It's nice. We have here in shading, so you guys can look better. But yeah, now the next step is to attach it to the wall, and then we're going to create the doors. So the idea here will be to go to, let me see. Oh yeah, we have to first make the alignments. So yeah, we have this, we have the thickness of wall too. 1 inch and 1 inch on the other side. I noticed that the text is really big, so we just change it. And we need to do the thickness of the other wall. Perfect. Perfect. This being said, we need to assign each of the dimensions to a new label, new parameter. So here we can select this one as width. Also we have the height and the thickness. That one was already previously created, but we can create more, like in this case. So go to the bottom of the right side and hide cabinet. We make it instance and perfect. We're ready to go. Now the 1 inch, that is the thickness of the cabinet. So same, we're going to create another layer, another parameter, and this one's thickness. Thickness. Yeah, cabinet thickness. That will work. We'll make it instance, okay. And this one we already have the layers, so again, cabinet thickness, perfect. We again can change the size of the text. Just let's keep it simple, let's keep it easy. Now the idea is to attach the cabinet to the wall. As you can see, it is floating. You see, we have major changes with the little tabling. And here it's very obviously that the wall is detached. So the idea is to move it. To move it, we have to go to constraint and extrusion start, and we're going to select depth. Perfect, as you can see, now it is attached. We can see in 3D. Perfect. We already have our cabinet attached to the wall. Perfect, let's continue. Now the idea will be to do the doors. This one is going to have 2 doors and 2 handles. So the idea now is to sketch the size of the door. Let me see. Oh yeah, so we're going to create reference plane, and the door has a little margin in the middle, so it's going to be, I don't know, 1/8. Yeah, I think it will work. So in the middle, we select the line. We make 2 lines. So this is in order to create the 2 doors, and it's not completely together. Like it has all these cabinets has a gap in the middle. Always about the line. Third. You see, we can make a mistake here. Perfect. And in this part, we're going to select all the lines again in order to create the cabinet, the door. Here, this is fine. The one in the top and in the bottom, we have to select it again because it's going to appear an error, but it's fine. It's just because it's overlapped, but everything everything works so far. Here you see an error appears, but it's completely fine. Just cancel, ignore it. You can lock it if you want. If you want to modify the doors, don't lock it. Like if you want to change the size, don't lock it. We can parameterize it, but for now, um, we're going to do freely, like freehand. In this case, for now, I'm going to lock it just to show you later that that we cannot move it. Oh, here I forgot to add the thickness. So as you can see, I can move it freely. We can select the thickness that we want. It's a bit too thick, to be honest. Yeah, that's about right. Just a simple cabinet from Ikea, nothing fancy. Maybe here we can make like always the doors are in the same place. Let me check if I remember. Maybe annotate, aligned. Yeah, here I want to change the or to keep to lock the doors, but I think I made a mistake, but it's fine. We can continue. And here in 3D, as you can see, we have two doors. As you can see, it's selected, and if I want to make it bigger, I can. There's an error. There's an error, so in order to fix it, it's really simple. We just have to unlock the lines, and we're ready to go. This is, I repeat, just in case we want to, I don't know, sketch it, a different door from different sizes. So here, as you can see, unlocked, can unlock almost everything. Perfect, this is fine. Here we tap, sorry. You see that two locks are one on top of the other. Just select tap and you can switch. So the idea here is to, make it a little bit bigger. Just a different style, a different design. And leave the bottom part visible. And if we go to 3D, voila. As you can see, we have our cabinet. It has two doors. We have this little visible part. Perfect. Looks better. And as you can see in the middle, has a little gap for so the doors do not collide. This is more in real life, but yeah. Okay, in the view one, it's not okay here. Go to the left. Now the idea is to create the handle. So again, create reference plane, and let's go to offset. Let's change it to maybe 1 inch. That will make the job. 1 inch. Let's select again. Perfect. This is like the part that we're going to grab. Now we have to attach it somehow to the door. So let's see. Maybe offset. I don't know. Yeah, let's do 5. And here, then 2 maybe. Yeah, let's go 1, maybe 2. Yeah, 1. I think that will make the job. And I noticed I need another part here. So Now we have to select the lines in order to make this extrusion. So extrusion, pick up line, pick lines, sorry. Here, I forgot in the video, but we always have to put the lock. But this is just a really quick demonstration. Let's lock it, perfect, easy peasy, and now we have to trim to give it shape. It's a really simple handle, nothing fancy. We have to cut the lines, so yeah, trim it. Perfect, and here and here. Now we have to join it. Uh, Once again, always select the lines, I forgot. We can delete this. As you can see, we have already an extrusion of a handle. See, but in this part, the handle is not yet attached to the doors. So also I want to fillet corners. I want to give some shape. So let's go to this part here. No. Yeah, this might work. Let's change the depth to 1 inch. You also can do it with radius. Okay. In here, let's see. In this case, I forgot, but I prefer to use radius, so I highly recommend to use radius. Let's do it again. It's not working for some reason. Perfect. Perfect, and again, it's not selecting. You just select again the tool. As you can see, I'm rounding corners just to make it a little bit more aesthetic. That will work. That will work. That's more friendly handle. As you can see, we have a chunky handle, but we can change the size later. Now, first we have to move it. To move the handle, let's go to placement side. You see, we can change the thickness, and there you go. There you go. We have one handle, but we're gonna mirror it because we need two for the other, another one for the other door. So let's go 90 degrees. That's 90 degrees. Perfect. And there you go. You have two handles for two doors. We're almost done. Now, perfect. Now it's just a matter of changing the textures. So right now everything's in black, but as you can see, we have a cute cabinet, attached cabinet to the wall. The idea now is to change the materials. This is a step more creativity for you. If you're looking for something lighter in your interior or darker, you can select the wood or copper or anything you want. You also can create materials. Let's go really simple here. Let's go for the material for the cabinet itself. It's going to be a light wood. Just like this one. Yeah, this one's good. You can see, let's change it to realistic. Okay, it's not the prettiest, but give us an idea. Okay, this is better. This is better. You see, just with cabinet. Also want to change the handles. I like to use copper. So let's create a new one. Let's look for copper or brass. I really like those details in real life. Have brass here, but bronze may be good. Yeah, this patina looks good. why not? Let's go to realistic. And as you can see, we have our bronze handles, really fancy. Like, yeah. And now we have the doors. If we can change it, it's the same process. But here you can do whatever you want. You can move freely. Uh, I'm gonna show you the result. This is the front view. Let's go to realistic. And yes, let's clear a little bit. Just a little bit to show you guys. We can hide it. Nice. And it's quite bright, but you can see it's chrome, it's wood. We have the details. Let's get rid of this. And there you go. A really simple cabinet from Ikea. This one is attached to the wall. It's going to be 2 doors. Thank you so much.